The Macally Wired Keyboard for Mac with built-in USB hub is one of those rare accessories that instantly makes your entire setup feel smoother. The backlit keys are crisp and comfortable, the typing response feels natural, and the dual interface design means it works flawlessly whether you're on a MacBook, iMac, PC, tablet, or even Android. We love how the keyboard automatically detects your operating system. No fiddling with settings, it just works. And the USB-A and USB-C ports, total lifesaver for plugging in drives, microphones, or even charging devices. It's sleek, stable, and surprisingly affordable for how premium it feels. If you're looking for a reliable plug-and-play keyboard that maximizes desk space while giving you more ports, this Macally option is shockingly good for everyday work, content creation, or productivity. Check out this keyboard to see if it's a good fit for you. Thanks for watching TrendPunk product reviews. See you next time.